Morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning,
morning.
ma'am. Something came in the screen.
Okay. Okay. Good morning. Before starting the class, I wish to congratulate Shania. Children, did you know about that? She got a best child
ma'am.
artist prize. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, sir.
congratulations, Shania, for your achievement. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, so let us continue with our section formula. Okay, Anjali, what is section formula, Anjali? Anjali, what is section formula?
X is equal to m1 x square plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2.
Navneet, Karthik, Isha, Adulya, Delvin, Vishnu, Devasena, Elsa, Maria, Kshetra, Sean, Aaron, Sania, Sriram, Emrin, Swati. Navneet, Karthik, Roshan, what is section formula, Roshan? Roshan. We can't hear you. We can't hear you, Roshan. Maybe any of your knobs are loose. Just push it. We
And some
can't hear.
class, and some classes voice was not hearing. Some classes even.
If it is now it's clear. Is my voice is clear now?
We can hear your voice, but we cannot hear his voice.
Karthik, section formula. Karthik. Karthik. What is section formula? Sania, section formula.
X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2.
Okay, Srihari. Are you okay now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to go next Monday also.
Next week?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Lena, section formula.
1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m2 m1 x y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2.
Karthik, distance formula, distance between 2 points. Karthik, distance between 2 points. Distance formula. Root of
x square minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Okay. And now Sriram, distance formula. Sriram.
Root of
Root of Sriram. Distance formula. What is distance formula, Sriram? Sriram.
Ma'am, root of x2 minus x1 square plus y1 minus y2 square.
Y2 minus y1 whole, the whole square. Okay, right. Next question. Find the ratio in which. Find the ratio in which. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divide the line segment. Line segment. The y-axis divide the line segment joining the points joining the points 5, negative 6, 5, negative 6, and negative 1, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 4 will be here. Negative 1, negative 4. 5, negative 5, negative 6 will be somewhere here in fourth quadrant. So here is a line AB. Find the ratio in which y-axis divide the line segment joining the point 5, 6. 5, negative 6. 5, negative 6 in fourth quadrant. 5, negative 6 in fourth quadrant. Negative 1, negative 4 is third quadrant. We need to find the ratio by which this point C divide. In what ratio C divides AB? That was the question. All of you read the question once again. Find the ratio in which the y-axis, this is y-axis. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides this y-axis divides a line segment AB. Okay, whose endpoints are or terminal points are negative 1, negative 4 and 5, negative 6. We need to find the ratio. Okay, so how we will start? Let the ratio be. How we will start with? How we will take ratio B? Usually for finding ratio, how we will take the ratio as K is to 1. Yes, let the ratio be K is to 1. If the question is to find ratio, start with K is to 1. Ratio is, let the ratio be K is to 1. Okay. If you are going to find ratio, start with K is to 1. Okay. Let the ratio be K is to 1. And the point lies on y-axis. Okay. The point of division lies on y-axis. So its x coordinate will be what? The point lies on y-axis.
0, ma'am. Fixed coordinate.
Yes, point lies on y-axis. Point C here, our point is C. The point C lies on y-axis. So its x coordinate is x coordinate is 0. 0 y. X coordinate will be 0. Y coordinate, we don't know. Some points on y-axis. Since the point lies on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. Ratio K is to 1. Okay, so we will start with the section formula. Using section formula, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 y1. No, we have to, here we have used k and m1. No. So k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1. k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1. And that x is 0. X coordinate, x equal to kx2 plus 1x1 by k plus 1, and that x coordinate is 0. So this is equal to kx2 5. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. You can write the k into 5 . Board has checked.
board suck.
Again, it has. Then find, all of you find x, substitute and find x. The board has gone. 0 equal to 0 equal to k into, what are the points? Points are 5, -1, -4, -1, -4, and -1, -4, and 5, 6. 5, -6, no point, or negative,
Ma'am, 5 -6.
5, -6, k is to 1, is 0, y. Okay. So 0 equal to k into 5 plus 1 into -1 by k plus 1. 5k minus 1 . 5k minus 1. K is to 1. K into 5.
So it's y of x coordinate, and the point C lies on
Y coordinate. Y coordinate. Point lies on y coordinate.
So it's x coordinate.
0. Point lies on y axis. Its x coordinate is 0. 5, -6 minus 1, 1. Equal to 0. Cross, again it is coming.
Understand stability changes.
What is the value of k? 5k minus 1 equal to 0. K 5k
Is
equal to 1.
by 2.
K equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, required ratio is k is to 1. That is 1 by 5 is to 1. 1 is to 5. Since the point lies on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. Okay, all of you read the question once again. Here we have a line segment joining 2 points, 5, -6, and -1, -4. And given that this line segment is divided by y-axis. Okay, since that point of division lies on y-axis, we know that its x coordinate is 0. Okay, so x equal to 0. 0, comma y will be the point of division. So by section formula, kx2 plus 1 into x1 by k plus 1 equal to 0. Substituting, we get k into 5 plus 1 into -1 by k plus 1 equal to 0. Cross multiplying this, k plus 1 becomes 0. 5k minus 1 equal to 0. K equal to 1 by 5. Required ratio, we took it as k is to 1. That is 1 by 5 is to 1. That is 1 is to 5. One more question, right? Next question. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points joining the points 1, -5, B, -4, 5, divided by x-axis. Divided by x-axis. Also find point of division. Also find point of division. See here, the point of division lies on
Y-axis
x-axis. So its y-coordinate will be
0.
0. So point of division lies on x-axis. So its coordinates are y coordinate will be 0, x comma 0. X comma 0 will be the coordinate. Now the points are 1, -5, A, B, -4, 5. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Point of division on x-axis, and let it be C, and it is x comma 0. X comma 0. Y coordinate is 0. Let the ratio be, we will start with, let the ratio be
K/1.
k/1. Let the ratio be k/1. Same way, proceed. K/1. Then by section formula, section formula, x equal to k into x2 plus x1 by k plus 1, y equal to k into y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Y equal to 0 is given. So we will substitute 0 here. 0 equal to k into y2 is, what is that value? 5. K into y2 plus y1 is -5 by k plus 1. Find k. Cross multiply and find k. Five k minus 5 equal to 0. 5k equal to 5. K equal to 1. K equal to 1. K equal to 1. So that point C is, can anyone say about C? C will be, K is 1. Can you say anything about that point? C is a particular point. What was that point? Secured ratio is k/1. That is 1:1. If it is 1:1, that point is what, Srihari? If the point of division, if C is 1:1, then C is the dash of AB. What was that? C will be?
Among
Ma'am, it's too distant.
B, A, 2 points AB. Another point C, divide in the ratio 1:1. Then C will be? No. AB divide by C in the ratio 1:1. Then it is the, C is the dash of 1:1, equal ratio, equally dividing. So C is the, Shania, what is C?
Midpoint.
Midpoint, equal ratio. C dividing in equal ratio. So C will be midpoint. If you want, you can write here. Here, the point of division is midpoint. It's not asked. Anyway, you write here. Point of division is its midpoint. Its midpoint. Point of division is its midpoint. Okay, one more question is there. What was that? You have to find the point of division. This C you need to find. So 1 point, y coordinate is 0. You have to find x also. So x equal to k is 1. 1 into x2 is x2 negative 4 plus x1 is 1 by k1 plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1 by 2, x equal to negative 3 by 2. Therefore, point of division is negative 3 by 2 comma 0. After finding x, substitute the value, after finding k, substitute the value in x. Substitute the value of k in x so that you will get k, point of division. X equal to kx2, k is 1. 1 into x2 is negative 4. Plus x1 is 1, k plus 1, 1 plus 1. So x equal to 3 by 2. We know that y is 0 because it lies on x-axis. So negative 3 by 2 comma 0 is the point of division. Negative 3 by 2 comma 0 is the point of division. Next question. Now one more question we will start. Right, next question. If the points, question number 3, isn't it? If the points A61, B82, C94, D, P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram. Are the vertices of a parallelogram. Find the value of P. Find P. A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram. A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram. So draw a rough diagram of a parallelogram. A, B, C, D, A, 61, B, 82, C, 94, and D, P, 3. P, 3. Okay. We know that AC and DB bisect each other. For a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Because the midpoint of AC will be the midpoint of DB. The midpoint of AC and midpoint of DB are same. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so right, we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know that of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That is midpoint of AC and DB are the same point. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of DB are the same point. That is, we can write coordinates of midpoint of AC equal to coordinates of midpoint of BD or DB because there you wrote midpoint of DB. Gauri, what is the formula for the midpoint if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the 2 points? What is the formula for midpoint? x1
Plus x2 by 2.
Very good. x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of AC. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1. Here, x2, y2. So midpoint of AC, we can write AC, x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 plus 9 by 2, comma, 1 plus 4 by 2. This is midpoint of AC, which is equal to, here also we have, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, midpoint of DB, P plus 8 by 2, comma, 3 plus 2 by 2. Both the midpoints are same. So we can write 15 by 2, comma, 5 by 2 equal to P plus 8 by 2, comma, 5 by 8. 5 by 2, not 8. 3 plus 2 by 2. 5 by 2. Correct it. 3 plus 2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. So 3 plus 2 by 2. Three plus 2 by 2. Okay. See, these two coordinates are same. So we can equate corresponding coordinates. 15 by 2 equal to P plus 8 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 15 equal to P plus 8. P equal to 15 minus 8, 7. P equal to 7. P equal to 7. Okay. So here the coordinates of the 4 vertices of a parallelogram are given. We need to find one unknown vertex. So what we will do, we know that for a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means midpoint of both the diagonals are same. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD or DB. Okay, so we know that formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. First, we will write midpoint of AC. 6 plus 9 by 2, 4 plus 1, by 2. And midpoint of DB or BD is P plus 8 by 2, 3 plus 2 by 2. See, these two coordinates are same. So we can equate the corresponding coordinates. X's are same, Y coordinates are same. So 15 by 2 equal to P plus 8 by 2. 2 we can cancel from both sides. 15 equal to P plus 8. P equal to 15 minus 8. Clear? Raya, understood how? Sania, Roshan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one more question. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are. If its vertices are, area of the rhombus, if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, negative 1, 4, and negative 2, negative 1. Negative 2, negative 1. Anyone knows what is the formula for finding area of a rhombus? In 8th standard, we have studied area of rhombus is equal to
half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2.
half into D1 into D2 diagonals. Area of rhombus. Half D1 into D2. D1 and D2 are diagonals. Rhombus is 3, 0, 4, 5, negative 1, 4, negative 2, negative 1. A, B, C, D. That is half into AC into BD. Using distance formula, find AC and BD. Distance AC and distance BD. Write the distance formula. Then find AC and BD. Write the distance formula, then find AC and BD. Attendance please. 10B, Aaron. Aaron. Agna. Alicia. Anuj. Angelo.
Present, ma'am.
Ashna. Godwin. Lena.
Present, ma'am.
Christo.
Present, ma'am.
Delvin.
Present, ma'am.
Elna Rose. Isha. Eva.
Present.
Shifana. Kisan.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna. Maria. Meghna.
Present, ma'am.
Nihal. Nasil. Nabil. Navaneet.
Present, ma'am.
Nasrin. Noble. Rachel George.
No present, ma'am.
Okay. Rachel George. Rachel Boben. Raya. Rohan. I don't present. What happened? Rohan is absent these days. Rohan? No. Roshan.
Present, ma'am.
Roland. Shweta. Vishnu.
Present, ma'am.
Tensi. Ebin.
Present, ma'am.
Ahlam. Alna Rose. Ananda Krishna. Ananda Krishna. Anjali.
Present, ma'am.
Anthony. Arun. Arun. Ashik. Adulya. Bastin.
Present, ma'am.
Devasena.
Present.
Dominic.
Present, ma'am.
Elsa. Emrin.
Present,
Fahad. Board want to see? Gauri, Gautam, Jesslyn, Justin,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Jarlin, present.
okay. Karthik, Kshetra, Lakshmi, Melita, Minha, Revu, Said, Sania, Shania, Sean,
Yes, ma'am.
Sovel, Sriram, Srihari, Swati. Okay, children, before for next class, find distance AC and BD. Find AC using x2 minus x1
my
whole
God.
square plus.
Let me see 2√5.
2 root.
5
Which one?
AC.
AC. A is 30 and C is -14. So is it 2 root 5? I have doubt. We will check next period.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
all of you try. Try to get AC and BD. Okay, so take this as x1, y1 and this is x2, y2 for finding AC. Now for finding BD, x1, y1, x2, y2. Write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. Find AC and BD. Then area of rhombus. Okay. Okay, children, we will wind up. We will discuss the answer during next period. Thank you. Bye.